Hi Shrishti, I'm so sorry I'm very late for this video, but I hope you understand. I am having a lot of office work and everything. Whosoever is watching this video, I just wanted to tell that this is not a paid promotion or uh, like this is my personal experience which I'm going to share with you guys today. Back then in 2019, I was having some personal issues with me and my family, and like there was no path. I cannot see anything right happening in my life. Um One day I was sitting in my office. I was not able to do work as well. Like I was very upset. So I was just scrolling down through Instagram, and in suggestions I saw this Shrishti and like there's a tag called Tarot Reader. So you guys know जब हम बहुत परेशान होते हैं, so we wanted to do anything, like we can do anything to resolve our issues, right? We can go to any extent. So let me tell you ki I don't believe in this cards and all, but I was so upset that I decided to listen. I wanted to talk to her. What are your charges per session, something like that. So I guess सृष्टि ने तब स्टार्ट ही किया था अपना टैरेट रीडिंग, एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे भी अकाउंट उन्होंने तभी बनाया था. पहले पहले तो मुझे थोड़ा सा ट्रस्ट इशू भी हुआ कि पता नहीं कौन है क्या है, बट okay, like I said ki we can go to any extent to resolve our issues. So I contacted her and I told her that if I'll tell you my issue, please don't reveal it to anyone or some. So she said don't worry. She's a very soft speaker, so she said don't worry, like I will not reveal this to anyone or on my Instagram page or some like social media platform. So I told her my issues, एंड लाइक उन्होंने मुझसे कुछ झूठ नहीं बोला. उन्होंने मुझसे लाइक कोई मुझे कहते हैं ना कि झूठ बोल देना किसी इंसान को खुश करने के लिए, नहीं. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि देर इज़ बी रेडी, देर विल बी लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस एंड स्ट्रगल इन योर लाइफ एंड इट विल टेक टाइम. इट विल टेक 1.5 to 2 years to get it resolved. You and your family have to do lot of struggle. So firstly I thought like कि नहीं यार ये तो अभी रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा, क्यों ऐसे 1-2 साल लगेंगे. बट सो मैंने फ़ोन रख दिया. सो चलते चलते दिसंबर तक पहुंच गए, लाइक 2019 दिसंबर, देन जनवरी, फेब, देन वी ऑल नो कि कोरोना का वेव आ गया 2020 में. तो वो इश्यूज़ थोड़े से कम हो गए कोरोना के टाइम पे, क्योंकि सब कुछ बंद हो गया. लाइक वी वर इन लॉकडाउन, वी वर एट आवर होम्स, एंड then again when things were started getting normal in June or July. So like I was doing work from home, but I was living with my family. So like obviously when we are face to face, then issues were getting increased. Like issue was getting increased day by day. So then I again contacted Shrishti. So she said that I already told you that it will take time. So I've asked her that how much time. So she said be patient, trust Sai Baba, and your issues will be resolved. So like then it's again December 2020. So I asked her, Shrishti, is there anything positive you can see about me? So she said कि just wait till Feb 2021. Like you will take first step in resolving your issue, and trust me guys, in Feb one part of my issue was resolved. 40%, 40 or 50, like 50% problem has got resolved. But again, like I was suffering from last 1.5 years. I was so afraid that this might not be my permanent happiness. But then everything is going fine. Then again corona wave come, and everything was going all right. But then again in August like again it started again, like my issues started again. So I was very 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 upset, and I asked her that, Shrishti, that nothing is going right, nothing is going right, and like I have almost lost hope. Like I was so much in depression. mm, like I was very depressed. So she told me, she was always very positive. And one good thing about Shrishti is that she never tells anything wrong. Like अगर वो आपको खुश करने के लिए कुछ भी झूठ नहीं बोलेगी. So she told me कि in August 2021 she told me that in November 2021 आपके इश्यूज रिजॉल्व हो जाएंगे, बस आप ट्रस्ट करो, और इससे आगे मुझे आपके इश्यूज लग नहीं रहे हैं बढ़ते हुए. सो बट इतने इश्यूज चल रहे थे लाइफ में कि आई थॉट कि पता नहीं अब कब ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा, या फिर मुझे कुछ और कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ चल रहे थे. वो फाइनलाइज हो गए कि वो रिजॉल्व हो जाएंगे नवंबर में. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव गाइस कि नवंबर में मेरे इश्यूज़ परमानेंट रिजॉल्व हो गए. सृष्टि नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट माई स्ट्रगल्स, अबाउट माई प्रॉब्लम्स. सो शी ऑल्सो नोज़ कि मैंने उसको कितना परेशान किया होगा इन 2 सालों में, लाइक फ्रॉम 2019 टू 2021. सो बट उसने कभी उसने कभी पलट के कुछ मुझे कहा नहीं, और ये नहीं बोला आप मुझे कितना परेशान कर रहे हो एंड ऑल दैट. फिर मैं अपना सेकेंड एक्सपीरियंस भी आपसे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. लास्ट ईयर, लाइक वेयर आई वॉज वर्किंग, so my HOD was a bit rude, so I do not want to work under him. So I asked Shrishti that, is there any way, or can you see anything that my manager is getting changed or my job is getting changed? So she said that just wait 5 to 6 months. Next year, like in 2022, might be your team might get changed. And you won't believe, guys, today, like yesterday only, I got message from my team members that teams are getting rearranged, they are getting changed. So, and today, guys, my HOD has kept the meeting with all of us, like our team members, and he has told that your team mapping has been changed, you have been shifted to another team. So there are chances, guys, but these are the major experience which I have experienced like while talking to Shrishti. So she's a star, and she always tells the truth. That's it, guys. So if you have any problem, just contact Shrishti. And again, this is not a paid promotion. Like अगर मैं बता पाती, मैं आपको अपना एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बताती, तो आप ज़्यादा कनेक्ट कर पाते. बट इट्स वेरी वेरी पर्सनल, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू गाइज. बट सीरियसली गाइज, जो सृष्टि ने मुझे बोला है वो हमेशा सच हुआ है. अभी जब लास्ट वेव थी कोरोना की, तब मेरे फादर भी बहुत बीमार थे. सो मैंने उनसे पूछा सृष्टि कि क्या होगा ये वो. सो शी हैज़ टोल्ड मी दैट ही विल बी फाइन, एंड आप हीलिंग कर लो. मैंने वो सब किया, एंड ही मतलब पापा सही हो गए थे. बट सेम मेरे एक फ्रेंड को मैंने और रेफरेंस दिया था सृष्टि को, कि सृष्टि लाइक उनको कोरोना हुआ है, क्या वो सही हो जाएंगे या नहीं. तो शी हैज़ टोल्ड मी दैट चांसेस आर वेरी लेस ऑफ हिज सर्वाइवल. सो एंड लाइक जो मेरे फ्रेंड के फादर थे वो नहीं रहे गाइस. सो उन्होंने कोई झूठ नहीं बोला, सच ही बताया. सो दीज आर द एक्सपीरियंसेस, गाइस. थैंक यू सृष्टि, थैंक यू फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग देयर.